Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sada Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Sunday, 1st of February 2026, it's Union Budget Day, and of course, a lot of volatility will be expected. But Nifty Index opened negative in the previous session and moved in a tight range with swings within a band. It elevated in the second half with buying seen from 25,200 to recover slight bit from its lows and managed to close above 25,300. It formed a bullish candle and an inside bar pattern on the daily as well as on the weekly frame. India VIX was up by around 2% to 13.6 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.90. Option data is suggesting broader range will be in between 24,800 to 25,800 zones, while immediate range could be in between 25,100 to 25,500 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 2,478 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 578 crores. FII's index long-short ratio is currently hovering near 12%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,300 for strength to rebuild towards 25,600 and 25,850, while support can be seen at 25,000 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 59,500 for the next up move towards 60,500, while support can be seen at 58,750. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in BEL, Ashok Leyland, Axis Bank, SBI, Bajaj Auto, Lupin, Union Bank and Federal Bank. While some weakness could be seen in Trend, KFin Tech, CG Power, SBI Card, Bajaj Finance, Loris Labs and Indigo. Wish you a super day and a lovely week ahead. Shivangi Sada Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.